Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Atlas. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.